Good morning. Let's spend the day together. My cheeks are so rosy. I mean, I just preheated the oven to 350. It shouldn't make my cheeks so dang rosy, but whatever. Automatic blush on my face. So today I wanted to make some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins or bread. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I do have a really cool pan that has like individual squares, so I might do it that way because it is kind of nice when you can pick up individual muffins. So I'm gonna go do that. We will bake together, and then I also want to show you some Halloween wax that I just got in the mail. If you're into that, it's gonna be super quick. So let's do the Halloween wax first. I've never ordered from Rainbow Melts before, but I heard that they had really great scents, so I picked up the Hocus Pocus pumpkin zucchini bread and sweet corn, and look how cute. They're in different shapes. I just love that. So festive. I believe that this was a popular Bath and Body Works scent that never returned, and it's the Radiant Red Maple. It smells so good. Delicious apple, smoky notes, maple syrup, and rich caramel with exotic wood. Love this scent. Then we have Plum Tart, which is also so good in these like little sticks. It is plum, warm vanilla crust with hints of citrus and bakery cinnamon. And ooh, it smells like a plum pie and it's divine. And then she sent me over some of these samples. These are the Cozy Cabin sample. And then the other one, I can't really read it. That's fine, you don't really care that much. And then this one we have Autumn Pear. Love this. Again, I've talked about this. Pear is just underrated. This has ripe, juicy pear, gooey caramel, and maple syrup. Look at that, the little leaves, little tombstone. And I know we love Bath and Body Works, and I will continue to love them, but sometimes venturing out is really fun as well. This is carousel, caramel apple, Mexican fried ice cream. The combination between the two, amazing. You can't really imagine what it's gonna smell like until you can smell it, and that one was really cool to smell. This one is Ferris wheel, apple fritter, cider lane, toasted marshmallows, sweet bakery dough. Pretty much just smells like cider lane to me. Then we have the Bounce House, caramel kettle corn, and pretzel. Love this one, salty sweet. This one is Carnival coffee, and I don't love drinking coffee, but I've actually really enjoyed smelling coffee. So fresh brewed coffee, funnel cake, and cotton candy. I do like that one. And then the last one I have here is the Corny Treat, sweet corn and s'mores. I don't love this one. Sorry to end it on a bad note, but I'm not really into chocolate scents. Just not really my thing. Every now and then I'll like it, but I don't really like it mixed with other things. Like I like the Hot Fudge Sundae from Bath & Body Works. That is it for my little haul. I ordered this in August and it finally got here, so I wanted to share it with you guys. You always look so cozy on this bed. Are you just such a cozy girl? Yes, you are. All right, I'm gonna go make some pumpkin chocolate chip muffin cups. I actually screenshotted this recipe that I saw on Instagram from one of the influencers that I follow. Her name is Olivia Culpo. I'm sure you've heard of her. But her sister also kind of started doing like the influencer thing, and they both love to bake all the time. And so they made this Down East pumpkin bread, and she said it was so good. So I'm gonna try it out. Never made it before, so we'll see how it goes. So while I'm baking, I want to put on something to watch in the background, you know? It's always nice to have something going in the background. And I was in the middle of Twitches for the second time. So I'm just going to ignore the toilet paper. This is my paper towels because we don't have any. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. And have this on. Okay, and now let's start the baking process. Pumpkin. Avocado oil. 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and water. Holy crap, 3 cups of sugar? Man, I don't know about all that. 1, I think we're gonna go with 2. 3 cups is excessive. I mean, I'm not trying to get diabetes. Hello, Dad? I'm making pumpkin chocolate chip bread. Pumpkin chocolate chip bread. Yes, what are you doing, Dad? All the wet ingredients are together and we mix with, of course, my Danish dough hug. Oh gosh, I think the bowl is too small. Why do I always do this to myself? Flour. For spices. Spice up your life. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves. I like to clean up as I go, you know? Make sure that everything is nice and tidy as we go along so we're not left with a huge entire mess. The dry ingredients is ready and so is the wet, so we're gonna pour and combine them together. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Smell-o-vision needs to be invented. Now that's some pumpkin-y goodness right in there. I'm so excited. I have this cute muffin tin, so I think I'm gonna make some just regular pumpkin muffins, and then I'm going to make a loaf of pumpkin chocolate chip bread and slice it. So yeah, we got the best of both worlds. One's chocolate, one's regular pumpkin. So I'm going to take some of these Trader Joe's semi-sweet chocolate chips. They have great chocolate chips, and put in as much as I want. So let's see. I think that should be good enough. And then I'm going to put this batter into the loaf pan and pop them both into the oven. To the oven they go. Hopefully this turns out good. We'll see together. The bread is in the oven, so now I'm going to finish cleaning and do some dishes, and then I don't know what we're gonna do next. So yeah, I don't know. Stay tuned. I want to but deflame this candle, and this is how I do it. I just kind of let the wax go on top of the flame, because that way you don't get that much smoke in your house, and yeah, it doesn't mess with the wax or anything, in my opinion. So I want to turn this off so that I can smell the pumpkin bread baking in the oven. I just want to smell that authentic pumpkin goodness, so I think I'm going to turn something on the TV. I don't know what yet, but feet are up. Stormy is cuddling. Oh, update on the weighted blanket. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. And I guess Storm is too. I'm going to have to return it, but I think I'm going to order it. I think it's the Hush brand, and I will let you know. I think it's a 30-pound blanket, and it really makes you sleep nice and snug. I decided I'm going to watch Tower of Terror. Honestly, this movie is super underrated. It's so good. There's so many great actors in it, and it's like pretty high quality for a Disney movie, you know, back in the 90s. So I think this was 90s. Yeah, I have it on DVD. I couldn't find it on streaming, so this is why I like to hoard my DVDs, because you just never know when they're going to be taken off of the streaming services. Well, I was just filming a Halloween costume for about 5 to 6 hours, so I didn't really film much because I was doing that, and that's going to be up later next weekend, so I'm trying not to show you what I did without exposing myself. But I'm going to go get Ryan, and then we're going to head over to a friend's house and eat some dinner and watch a movie, and hopefully I can get this out of my mouth. We made it to Will and Kenny's. It looks so festive, and look at the little setup here. Love it. We got the chili, the toppings, the cornbread, the apple cider donuts, the apple cider to drink, cornbread crisps for the appetizer, pumpkin what is it called? Pumpkin spice pretzel slams. That's a lot. Oh, we got avocado for toppings, cheese, onions, jalapenos, and lime. Oh right, and I made pumpkin chocolate chip bread earlier. I vlogged it.
most of this evening.
Okay, that's fine. You can keep it. Well, let the festivities for the 4th year begin.
Is it 4?
And Ryan made it this time. It's the 4th year. How crazy is that?
I can't even believe it.
I
must have
know.
been drunk some of those years.
I am starving. Please, no, Will. The beard itches my face.
I would keep it. I like it, but she hates it.
No,
The
you
only
should.
reason I shave it is because she pesters me for
It's
weeks.
because he loves me and knows that if he wants
you
the
need to keep
smooches,
it.
if he wants these smooches, he gotta take it off.
Get a beard.
We're gonna also
Bomb,
pumpkin
and then
carve
let it
tonight.
And then
Oh yeah, just make it soft.
Their house is always so festive. Ooh, let me show you the decor. Hold on. They always have spooky decor up. We got the little skeleton up here. All of this. And their crazy dog, Teddy. Hi, Teddykins. Whoa. Wow. Made my bowl of chili, cheese, avocado, onions, cornbread with honey and butter.
Does not scare me.
Yum. Carving. Teddy is observing. Well, I will do the rest. I want you to do the top. And we're watching Scream.
Thought you might want some ice for that later.
Here is the final pumpkin carving. Honestly, Will's turned out the best, which is shocking because he never finishes his pumpkin. We turned on the craft. Yes, yours did turn out the best. Who do you think's turned out the best? I tried to use this cool new carving tool where you can carve off the skin and it just looks creepy. It does kind of look like it deserves to be in like Treasure Island or something. Yeah, we're gonna wrap up here and go back home.